All right, so here we go. So these are review questions for the welfare economics. Hello, all of you out in YouTube land. We're going to go over some review questions to make sure you're ready for the welfare economics assignment. So we have, where is price determined as the very first one. I heard you guys talking over here about MR and MC. Does anyone have a different answer besides MR and MC for where is price determined? Okay, what do you got?
It would be where MR equals MC, like that would be the quantity, but then you'd have to go up to the demand.
Right, beautiful. If you know that you have to be at the demand, that's the important thing. Where is quantity determined? Quantity is going to be determined where MR equals MC. Right, so that's where a profit maximizing firm is going to be. So if you tell me that you determine price at MR and MC, that's incorrect because price is determined. I mean, that's the first step, but you have to go up the demand curve. So you could say MR and MC, but then you have to go up to that demand. Okay, next one says profit. It says, how is profit determined? Profit is determined by the difference between price and ATC. If your price is greater than ATC, that means that you are profitable. If it equals, that means you have zero, and if it's less, that means you have a loss. So you got to figure out how that applies to all these different ones. And I guess that's what I have right down here. Positive is when price is greater, and zero is when price is equal, and a negative is when price is less than ATC. Okay, so those are the different answers for these pieces right here. Efficiency, when is allocated efficiency reached? Hopefully you said, because we've just talked about it 18 times in the last 15 minutes, where demand equals marginal cost. So, and where is productively efficient met? This is the minimum of the ATC. So you could also say it's where marginal cost equals ATC. You could also say that. That's productively efficient. It says surplus. When is surplus maximized? Surplus is maximized, you could have said when you are at allocated efficiency, or you could also say when you have zero deadweight loss. Either way. Alright, so when is surplus lost? Surplus is lost when you lose transactions, okay, or when you are not allocatively efficient, when you are reducing quantity. Any of those is when you lose surplus. Really the main one is when you reduce quantity. If you see these things are the keys for you going on and do the welfare economics assignment. Okay, so now what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you go through the very bottom piece of this welfare economics, and I'm going to have you rank all of these. I want to make sure that you rank them correctly before we leave today, to make sure that you understand how to do it over the weekend. Okay, so I'll pause this.